How's it going today? I'm Patrick. This is Tom Wood Ford. What you're looking at here today is a 2022 Eruption Green Metallic 2.3 liter EcoBoost Mustang. This Mustang is the Premier Edition. So it's got the full LED display, heated cooled seats, leather seats. You can get it with Recaro seats if you'd like. This is one bad boy. You can upgrade the exhaust, the engine. No limit to what you can do to a Mustang. We're here on the inside of this beautiful Mustang. This is the Premium Edition, so you can see we've got a full LED display. We've got heated and cooled seats. The Mustangs are really awesome because you can actually change the mode. So with a flick of a switch, we're changing from Sport to Sport Plus, which is also going to change on this display here. We've got track mode. This is one bad boy. So here we've got our adaptive cruise control. You can set the distance between you and the vehicle in front of you. Something's in front of you, the vehicle will slow down to match their speed. As soon as that is out of the way, that cruise control will take back over and accelerate to the limit that you had it set at before. Here's going to be our heated steering wheel. We've got our touchscreen navigation. Navigation is going to take you through many different points here in the US. Here's our heated and cooled seats. We've got different adjustable steering. So we've got sport steering, comfort steering, and then normal. We've also got our traction control that we can turn off whenever we want to. Hey, if you or anybody you know is in the market for a Mustang 2.3, 5.0, Shelby GT, doesn't matter. Come see me, Tom Wood Ford.